Okay, this is the Thule Rapid Traverse tower, which works in conjunction with the Thule AeroBlade crossbars. The tower has a unit up top which will slide into the bottom of the AeroBlade towers as you lift up on this cam, and then when the tower is in the bar where you have it, where you want it, just push this down, and that'll keep the towers firm on the bar. On this tower, it also has a hole to put the locks. If you want to put a lock there, you just pop that out, put a lock core in, open that up, and this is where the fit kit would go. The fit kit is basically two parts. It's a rubber pad on the bottom of the tower, and you just put that on there, and we will show you that later. And it's also a clip that goes up into here, and you just tighten it down with the tool. I'll show you what that. So this tool will just tighten the clip down when the clip is in, and then you shut the door. But those are the basic components of the tower. And so what we'll be doing now is we'll be putting the tower into the crossbar. First thing we have to do is take our hard plastic spacer, and we need to put this in the bottom of the crossbar. The spacer is numbered, and all you do is you put it in to the number that corresponds with your fit kit guide. So what we'll do is we'll just take the spacer and we'll put it in like this. Once the spacer is in the bar, all you need to do is slide it to the corresponding number that's in your fit kit, and then you can put the tower in the slot. What you do is you take the tower and you lift open the cam to loosen it, and you take your tower and just slide it into the bottom slot of the crossbar until it's flush with your spacer. And then take your cam and snap it back up. First thing we'll do is we'll put the pad on the tower and just kind of put it on like so. Just have it go across and then just push down on the pad, so the pad is flush onto the towers. And then the next part will be our clip. And what we'll do is we'll just take our clip, and the clip just goes up in here, and you just kind of push up on the clip to where it clicks in. You can hear that click, and it's on in there. And that's it for putting the fit kit on. Very easy. So what we're going to do now is we will take our soft rubber spacer. They give you a couple of these, and we're just going to slide it into the base of our bar like so. And this spacer is to cut down on wind noise. So we'll just take our scissors and we'll make a cut right about to the base of this hole right here. So, and then we'll put it back in there, and we'll take our end cap and we'll put the end cap in like so. So what we're going to do now is we will install the rubber crossbar gasket on the top slot of the crossbar, and all you really have to do is just take the gasket and press it in to the top of the crossbar, and just kind of work your way down the crossbar. So what we're going to do now is we'll take our assembled bar and we're going to install it on our vehicle. And all we have to do is the clip is basically mounted on the other side, and just pull the clip out so you don't scratch the car. Then place the clip on the vehicle. You can see it's a perfect fit. It's nice and snug. Everything's tight. And what we'll do now is we'll measure out the bar. Our measurement is 27.5 inches from the front bar to the back bar. We'll take our measuring tape and we'll just measure out 27.5 inches. Let's bring it back just a little bit. There. That should be perfect. And we'll tighten the tower down, and just do that by putting it in like that, and just give it a few turns to where it's tight. You'll know when it's tight because Thule has put a torque indicator on the handle of the Allen wrench that you're using, and basically this line that goes through the green part of the wrench will line up with these two notches that are on either side. So all you do is you tighten it down until the lines correspond with each other, just like that. You can see how they're right next to each other. Then you know it's tight enough, and you just take it, push it in, close the cover, and you're good.